Hi children, we meet again. Now we have done quite a lot on subdivision and formula. We go to a new topic called circumference of a circle. Now first of all we must know the parts of a circle. We'll draw a circle here. We call this as the center. We call the center. Then the line through the center is called the diameter. This is the diameter. Then right round this line is called the circumference. And line from the center of the circle to the circumference is called the radius. So now you will observe that the radius, twice the radius is the diameter, because line through the center, now these are the radius, these are the radius. So this is the diameter. So twice the radius is the diameter. And if we have any line from one end of the one point of the circumference to another point, it's called the chord. We will study all this later. So in fact the diameter is also a chord, but it's going through the center. Okay. Now once you understood that, we will know that if you have radius 5, diameter will be 10. If you have radius 3, diameter is 6. If the diameter is 7, radius is 3.5. Half the diameter is the radius. That is just a common sense. You will be able to understand that. Now they have found out the relationship between the circumference and the diameter of any object. If we take any object, if we have we'll say this one, we'll say this a plate like this, and this is called the circumference, and a line through the center is called the diameter. Now there is a relation between the circumference and the diameter. What is the relation? Circumference divided by the diameter is a constant, is a number. It's a number called 3.14, going on 3.14 and continuing. So this number is equal to 22 upon 7. So C upon D is equal to always 22 upon 7, and this 22 upon 7 only is as we referred to earlier, is called as pi. So pi is equal to 22 upon 7. So we have to remember that pi is equal to 22 upon 7, or sometimes they give decimal means, they will give it as 3.14. Okay. Okay. Now so after finding the relation, we say C is equal to 2 pi r, or C is equal to pi d. Now we got C upon d is equal to pi. So when you cross multiply, C is equal to pi d. Now d is equal to twice radius, so we call it as C is equal to 2 pi r, 2r. So both the formulas you must memorize. When they give the diameter, you use this formula. When they give the radius, you give this formula. So we'll take a simple example. Find C. R is equal to 7 centimeters. So when R is equal to 7 centimeters, we have to find the circumference. So what we do is, we use this formula. C is equal to 2 pi r. So we just substitute. For r we put 7. And pi we put, pi is equal to 22 over 7. So we just substitute 2 into 22 over 7 into 7. Now easily we can cancel this 7 and 7, and that is equal to 44 centimeters. So circumference of this circle, where the radius is 7, circumference the right round the length is equal to 44 centimeters. We will take another example. Diameter is given as 21. So you have to find C. So we can use the formula C is equal to pi d. So diameter, so C is equal to pi d. That is equal to 22 over 7 into 21. So 7 and 21 cancel 3, that is equal to 66 centimeters. So circumference of this circle where the diameter is 21 is equal to 66. We will take another example. r is equal to 10.5 centimeters. We have to find c. So c is equal to 2 pi r. Now, so that will be equal to 2 into 22 over 7 into 10.5. Now, when you have 10.5, we know that 10.5 is equal to 10 and a half. Always make it improper vacuum to 10 or 21 upon 2. Then it's easy to cancel. If you have decimal here, some children like to get cancelled by decimal and they can make a mistake. So we just write it as 2 into 22 over 7 into 21 over 2. Now here 7 and 21 cancel easily, 2 and 2 cancel easily. So answer is 66 centimeters. That is 22 upon 7, 10 half is 21 upon 2. So 7 and 21 cancel 3, 2 and 2 cancel. So 3 into 22, 66. We will take another example. C is equal to 17 and a half centimeters. So C is equal to pi d. That is equal to 22 over 7 into 17 and a half. So that is equal to 22 over 7 into 2 into 7 is 34 and 35 upon 2. So 7 and 35 cancel 5, 2 and 20 cancel 11, that is equal to 55 centimeters. See, one more example will take, children. R is equal to 5. So C is equal to 2 pi r. That is equal to 2 into 2 over 7 into 5. So here we can't cancel. So always you won't be able to cancel. So we can't cancel here. So we have to multiply the numerators. So 5 into 2, 10. 10 into 20 will be 220 over 7. So that will be 31.4. Nearly centimeters. So that's all for children today. I hope you have understood the lesson. If you understood the lesson, please subscribe.